how picture prompts in Google Bard can help digitize your essential business notes and save you from notebook overwhelm. If you're a business owner, you probably make notes on a daily basis, and you've probably got masses and masses of notebooks containing lots of really great information. Stuff like, client notes, emails, to-do lists, planning, strategy. The list goes on and on. But very often all these really essential details for your business are hidden because unless you've got a great filing system on your notebooks, you're not going to be able to find those notes in an instant when you need them. However, Google Bard has come up with a solution which helps people, especially those that don't have a filing system or a Remarkable, which obviously does the thing right at source. So this is how it's done. You take a photograph of your notes with your phone and you upload it to your computer. Now, Google Bard will accept only three sorts of files: a JPEG, a PNG and a WebP file. So if you have an Apple phone, you're going to have to convert your photograph, which will be taken in an HEIC format, to a JPEG. But that's very easy, and I'm going to tell you how to do that now. So what you do is you upload your photograph to your computer. You then click on it and open it with preview. You go to export and you will have the option to save it as a JPEG. I suggest at that point you also change the file name so that it's easy to find, and when you're looking in preview or finder, when you're wanting to actually use this photograph, you're not going to get confused. Then go over to Google Chrome, search for Google Bard AI, click on that, and then you'll see in the prompt that there's a little plus button here where you can upload a file. So I'm going to click that and go to upload. It will instantly take me to my downloads file. I will go image for Bard here, open it up, and I'm just going to say transcribe notes. It'll take a little while, but here they are. So what you might notice here is that only half of this has been transcribed. Now this is down to the nature of my very poor handwriting, but I've certainly seen this in instances where with good handwriting it transcribes perfectly. However, you can obviously edit this to make it perfect, and then when you have finished you can share it obviously to documents, or you can add it to a place, maybe Dropbox, where you can add hashtags and you can find it easily. But here is an additional use that you can use it for. So I'm going to go upload file, and I'm going to go, just in case that you're one of those business owners that works right through the day and into the evening and you think, don't know what I'm going to eat for supper. You can upload a picture with some food, and you can just say, here are the ingredients of my fridge. I want to use the Calvo Nero. Can you suggest a recipe? So here's a recipe that uses the ingredients that I showed it, and it's got the instructions as well. And if I don't like that, I can then say I've got XYZ ingredients in my store cupboard. Can you suggest another recipe? And I've seen that it will do that really accurately as well. Picture prompts are obviously very new at the moment, and there'll be a lot of us thinking, how can we use them for prompts and to get AI to help us with our business and everyday life? Well, these are just two examples, and I'm sure as we get used to putting this sort of thing into Bard, or probably other chatbots as time goes on, we'll become much more adept at using them. So I hope this video has been useful. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel, as I regularly put content up about AI and digital tools. Also, if you've got a comment, please leave it below. And if you want to join my Facebook group, I have put a link below as well.